Welcome to this installation video for Fortress's Hulk Decking Fastening Systems. Using state-of-the-art technology and manufacturing methods, Fortress has developed a complete range of durable, specialized fastener systems. Fortress offers a face fastening and hidden fastening system for both traditional wood framing and Fortress's Evolution steel framing solution. Be sure to always check your local building codes before installing Fortress's Hulk fasteners. Let's review how to install the surface mount fastening system. The Hulk surface mount screws are available in both stainless steel and epoxy-coated steel. Both include color-matched heads that blend in with your deck's surface and virtually disappear. Before you begin, we recommend adjusting the clutch and speed settings of your drill to find optimal torque so you don't overdrive the screw. This allows the screw to end flush to the surface of the deck board. Screws should be driven perpendicular into the board and at least 1 1/4 inches from the edges of the board. Now, let's check out the hidden fastening system installation. The Hulk hidden fastener system includes both the hidden clip and a screw. The Hulk hidden fastener clip fits easily into the groove of the board. Place the serrated, downward angled edge into the board. Using the Hulk hidden fastener screw, drill straight down into the clip and do not overdrive the screw. The serrated edge will bite down onto the board, providing a firm hold. When you are ready to install the next board, you simply slide the deck board into the edge of the clip, providing a fastener-free look with perfect gaps. Here's how to install the fascia and trim fastening system. The Hulk fascia and trim screws are color-matched and available for both wood and metal framing systems. When installing, drive 2 screws every 12 inches into Fortress's 8-inch fascia, and 3 screws every 16 inches for Fortress's 12-inch fascia. Screws should be flush and no more than 1.5 inches from the start and finish edges. Hulk fascia screws are designed to decrease the effects of expansion and contraction, resulting in a board that lays flat year-round. Fortress's Hulk fasteners are easy to install and work together in perfect synergy to ensure the longevity and stability of your deck.